Hey YouTube, this is Princess Diamond. This is a video showing you how I achieve these straight back feet and braids. I don't know if you'd call this really a detailed tutorial, but I will be showing the process. I do start on freshly washed hair, and I apply Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner to help moisturize the hair, since this is a protective style. I comb through with a wide tooth comb, making sure I'm not snagging on that customer's hair. I use Shine and Jam to help maintain the flyaways, and it also helps with my parting. Parting is so crucial, guys, when it comes to doing braids. You do want to make sure you get those crispy parts. So what I do is I like to part it once, and then I take the Shine and Jam, I apply that, I slide it down that part, and then I'll go over the part again. So you'll see me doing it here. I had parted it once. I'm sliding down that Shine and Jam, and then going over that part again. Get them parts crispy, you know? Also, I just want to give a shout out to my client. Look how beautiful this woman is. I love everything about her. My son is in the background, y'all. We'll see him move around a lot. Don't pay any attention to him. He's just does his own little thing while mommy works. So yeah, like I said, this is not really a detailed tutorial. I know it's not very close up. I will try to get another tutorial out. This is my first, you know, video showing the process of how I braid. So I didn't really know I was that far away from I didn't know the camera was that far away from my client, so you can't really get a good view of what I'm doing, but those will be coming in the future, I promise. So like I said, I do use the Shine and Jam. Helps maintain the flyaway hairs. I'm kind of just molding that, putting all the hair in one spot. You guys, let me know if you want me to do a more detailed tutorial on how to actually do feed in braids. There's two different techniques. I'll only use one of them in this video. This one, for me, it helps for me, but there is a simpler way to do it. So again, if you guys would like to see a more detailed tutorial on how to do feed and braids, just leave a comment below, let me know. And I'll be sure to get that video out for you guys. I love a neat braid, so you'll see me maybe a few times brushing out any kinks and tangles in the hair. I don't like to see that. I don't like to braid like that, so I do comb or brush my hair out, the hair out as needed if it gets detangled or if it gets tangled. Just a little background about me if anybody was curious or cared. I am from Sierra Leone, originally born. I've been in the US for 18 years now. I have 2 babies, my son there, of course, and then I have a baby girl. She is 10 months right now. Yeah, and right now I just trying to figure out where I want to go on this journey, on this hair journey. Trying to improve my skills every day. If you're a braider yourself and you do have any tips of how you do braids, feed and braids, any techniques, feel free to drop that below, because again, I'm always willing to learn and improve my skills every single day, every time I do you know, a client's hair. So yeah, please let me know if there's any tips you guys have. Also, the type of hair that I use when I do braids mainly is the Expression African Collection. That is my favorite brand. I do not purchase any other type of hair unless I'm not able to get I'm not able to get a specific color that a customer is requesting. That's when I will maybe look at other brands. But Expression African Collection, that's my go-to when it comes to doing braids. So all done, what I do is I like to make sure I oil that client's scalp. So I just use Wild Growth. A lot of my clients really love it. Feels really good, and it does help. So yeah, always make sure you oil client's scalp with any type of oil. I'm applying my mousse. Give it a little extra molding, help maintain any additional flyaways that I didn't get. Mold those down. I love mousse, you guys. So once I'm done with that, I go ahead and trim the bottom of the braids, because you know, in the beginning I feather the hair, so once you get into the bottom of braiding the extensions, you do get a lot of flyaways, so I do trim those off to make the braid look much neater. And then if your client wants, you can go ahead and slick those edges back. I'm using Cara Care to really use any edge control you prefer, you like. I use a toothbrush this time. Sometimes I do use a comb. And I'm just applying the straps a strap here just to hold the front, the edges down while I dip the hair in hot water. This is just to seal the ends so those ends don't come unraveled. It also helps loosen the braid so it's not so stiff. You know when you finish getting your braids and they're just stiff, you try to like shake your head and they ain't going anywhere. So that hot water will help loosen that braid up for you. Alright, so I went ahead and took off that wrap strip. Went ahead and sprayed it there with some oil sheen. Just give it a little extra shine. And that's really it, guys. That's how I achieve this style. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any tips for me, please leave them in the comment section below. And let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and I would be happy to submit those for you guys.